universal set and as well as the complement of set. Now here we are going to discuss about the universal set and as well as the complement of set. Generally, the universal set is denoted by the symbol called mu, and all the sets under consideration will be the subsets of a fixed set. That fixed set will be called as a universal set. So now first of all, let us discuss about the universal set. So here in this universal set, just now we discussed that sets under consideration will be subset to a fixed one, that is a fixed set. Then such a fixed set will be called as a universal set. So here all sets under the consideration will be the subsets or a subset to a fixed one, to a fixed set. Then such a fixed set is known as an universal set. So here it is clear that the sets whatever we consider, those all will be the subsets to the fixed set, that will be called as the universal set. So here generally such universal set is denoted by the symbols such as mu, it will be called as mu, or u, or the omega. So here this is the mu notation of the universal set. So here is the mu or u or omega. Then now let us discuss about the second one, that is nothing but the complement of a set. So here second one is of complement of a set. So in case of a complement of a set, so first of all let us consider universal set as mu and A as any set. Then the complement of the set A is the set containing of all the elements which are in mu, that is the universal set, but does not belongs to the set A, will be called as a complement of a set. So now let mu be the universal set and as well as A be any set. So in this manner we have assumed, first of all we assumed, so here mu as the universal set and A be the any set. Then later then the complement of set then the complement of set A So E is the new set which is formed, which is obtained. So here new set containing, so here that new set contains or containing the elements of the universal set that is mu, and which do not belongs to set A. So it means, so here whenever we consider a universal set as mu and a as any set, then the complement set so formed, the complement of set A so formed is a new set. That new set will contain the elements which are the elements of mu set, that is universal set, but not the elements of the set A. So here generally complement of set A is denoted by, since we are finding the complement of set A, it will be denoted by means of A complement or A dash. So here it will be read as, so A complement, or in other words complement of A, read as the complement of A, or it is A dash. But here